So how to add your IKEA card to Apple Wallet. So to go ahead and add your IKEA card to Apple Wallet, it's very simple to do. So first things first, you're going to need to open up the IKEA app and you're going to need to make sure you're signed in. So to go ahead and sign in, you just want to click below right here. And once you've done that, you can either sign in or create an account. Then once you've signed in, you should come across a home page which looks like this. And you simply just want to click right here where your profile is. Then from there, you just want to select on wallet. Then once you've selected on wallet, it should bring you to this page here which displays a barcode of your IKEA card. And nice and simple, you just want to select add to Apple Wallet. Then once you've done that, to go ahead and add your IKEA Family card to Apple Wallet, you just want to select on add right here. And there you have it. And you've successfully added your IKEA Family card to Apple Wallet. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.